Hello, I'm Al Bagdanis. I'm the Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms at FP Automation. In this video series, I'm going to be walking you through a comprehensive example of an end-to-end sales and operations planning solution that we have partnered with various different large-scale companies within the manufacturing, pharmaceutical, cannabis, and consumer product goods space to build within the Microsoft Fabric and Acterys ecosystem. So if you're a company that is struggling to be able to modernize their IBP or integrated business planning process, we help you turn your planning process from reactive to predictive, enabling you to be able to better influence your MAPE percentages with better statistical models, as well as help control various different inventory stockouts, as well as excess inventory levels, as well as manage your production planning cycles in order to be able to meet demand in the most accurate way, enabling you to get the most ROI for your business, both from a top line as well as a bottom line perspective. Within this video series, you're going to be seeing us go through a full end-to-end walkthrough of how you can create various different statistical models within the Microsoft ecosystem, utilizing Acterys and Fabric to be able to create models such as a ARIMA model, or a Holt-Winters model, or triple exponential smoothing model, to be able to produce 12 to 18 month statistical forecasts based on historical data, based on your seasonality, trends, and uplift. This then enables you to do more exception-based planning rather than enabling your team to guess what demand can look like within the future. From here, we take you through how in a demand planning process, your sales and operations teams can partner in order to be able to adjust statistical models where needed based on new customer information and signals from the field team on what demand is looking like over the next 12 to 18 months. From there, we show you how this unconstrained demand that your sales team and operations teams are planning is fed into a production planning cycle where your production planning team is working to adjust that unconstrained demand to a constrained demand based on production line levels and based on what the possibilities are of the organization, whether it's wholesaling or using overtime or regular production methods to be able to meet that demand. From there, we showcase to you how you can move that production into a MRP planning cycle or material requirements planning cycle, where your teams can accurately generate purchase orders to your vendors based on lead times required to meet that production demand. From there, we're helping you to be able to go ahead and showcase what price and cost assumptions look like across your revenue and cost of goods sold, and how that ultimately influences your gross profits. All while enabling you to be able to do what-if scenario planning and ad hoc analyses planning to see exactly how, during market trends, your revenue and costs change based on new assumptions you make over time. This is all possible within this ecosystem. So whether you are a company operating on different ERP systems such as D365 Finance and Operations, NetSuite, Sizemex, or Sage, we have partnered with various different companies in various different industries in the consumer product goods, pharmaceutical, and manufacturing spaces in order to get a better handle of their IBP cycle, ultimately affecting their company's ability to be able to plan more accurately. So we're very excited to bring you this video series, and in our next video, we'll be showcasing to you what an admin control center can look like for your team, where your team can run various different statistical models as a starting point for the demand planning process cycle. So let's go ahead and let's jump into the next series. We'll see you there.